Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the PC stays awake and has an active internet connection. This prevents session drops. Install the Remote Access app on the PC and on your phone, then sign into the same account so they can authenticate. Once done, enable Remote Access and set a strong password or PIN, and grant the app permission through the PC firewall. This establishes a secure, reachable endpoint and avoids connection refusals later. You now initiate the session. Open the phone app and tap the PC name to connect. If prompted, approve on the host PC. Configure display scaling so the desktop fits your screen, pick touch or mouse input for smoother control, and turn on audio if you need sound. Make sure clipboard sync and file transfer are enabled so you can copy text and move files. These settings streamline work and prevent repeating steps when you need to paste or retrieve documents remotely. You finish by closing the remote session cleanly and signing out, which keeps the PC secure. Before relying on it, test reconnecting so you know the steps work under real conditions, and note whether you used a direct IP, specific port, or relay service for later troubleshooting. If something goes wrong, restart the app on both devices, verify the PC firewall allows the remote app, and recheck your account credentials. This sequence solves most common connection failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.